going to carry on placing one double crochet till we have 16 double crochets in total. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Right, you need to count your stitches so that you have right number of stitches. Okay, so let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now when you are done, we are going to slip stitch on top of the first double crochet we did. This is the 3 chains we did. 1, 2, 3. Now this is next to that, to your left, is the first double crochet we did. So this one is the first double crochet we did, so we are going to insert our hook into that stitch, and then we yarn over, and then we pull through. We've closed that round. So that's the end of our first round. And if you want, as you can see, I was weaving in that tail as I go, so you can just grab your scissors and then cutting it off, but it is supposed to be at the back. I don't know how it got in front. Okay, let me see how I can take it back. Okay, there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that is the end of round 1. So if you still have a hole in there, what you're going to do is you turn your work, and you have a tail end here. You're just going to pull it. Okay, so that's the end of round 1. Okay, so if you are working with me, just let me know, and just let me know if you are done with this round, or if you are not, just say continue in the chat. And please guys, like, if you're just